My video guide is about getting rid of the malicious pop-ups that come for the site Landerodersta.buzz. Landerodersta.buzz is a deceptive site that may now start attacking Google, Chrome and other browsers. It tries to make you click on a special allow button, and this is in order to force people into subscribing to the multiple advertisements that will be displayed in the form of intrusive push notifications. If you have clicked on allow button, then definitely your browser may be in trouble, and you need to fix it immediately by going to the menu, settings, privacy and security, then site settings. Go down to the permissions area and click on notifications. Now you need to carefully research all these websites that are allowed to send notifications. If you find this Landerodersta.buzz, be sure to remove it from the list, and also don't hesitate to delete other junk sites from this list. This is the manual way to get your browser fixed. I also recommend that you thoroughly investigate your computer with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. The best place to get it is on the official page combocleaner.com. Download the software through this official website, install it, and start investigating your system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threats which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threats, the locations of all these threats on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threats manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.